Yeah.
You got it?
Maybe. Fuck, where's he gone?
Come on, Gary. Show us your skills. Wait, don't get it down here. I'm not interested in that.
Oh,
Hello, birdie.
don't take pictures of it.
It's a video, mate.
Coming out.
It's going on YouTube for you. Catch the birdie. Catch the pigeon. Go up higher, man. We can't reach.
I don't want to reach.
You're in a wussy, man.
You come up.
No, it's your bird.
No, it's not.
That's it. Get him to fly into it.
Huh?
Get him to fly into
No,
it.
I nearly had it and he fell on me.
Don't worry about him. He's probably more scared of you.
You down there.
Wait, get it.
Oh.
That's it. Oh, you should have had that.
You over your own head. It's fucking horrible. Oh, yeah.
Chop chop. You'll wear him out soon and then you'll just be like, oh, catch me. Oh, twatted! You want to catch it, not hurt it. Oh my god!
It's horrible.
Maybe horrible. You got to do what you got to do. No.
Oh, fuck off.
Unlike you. Get it. I'm not allowed to swear. Right, there you go. Stand on the chair.
Oh, yeah, right.
Here, birdie. Quick, get it! Get it! No!